Hello guys, from the middle of nowhere. So I'm about 800 kilometers west from the coastline, from the east coast in Australia. In here they call it the outback. This is a very remote area, and I'm just having a drive all day long today. So I'm heading to a small town and I'm on a mission. I'm trying to find the cheapest residential land in Australia. So as you see guys, this road is a very lonely road. But they're lucky enough that even so it is a very long drive, but the roads are quite good actually, so I can't complain so far. I still have another almost 200 kilometers to go, so let's do it now. Stop once again, a little bit of rest here, and as you see guys, it is totally deserted. I'm really in the middle of nowhere and I have the place all to myself. I have met only a few cars and going the opposite direction. It's a very lonely road and it's a very long road as well. So let me show you something here. So we are almost 1,000 kilometers away from the east coast of Australia now, and as you see guys, the vegetation here is completely different. All the palm trees are gone, and the weather here is similar, but I think it's a lot drier than the coastal areas. It is a straight road and it's like that. So the land what I'm looking at, or I found it online, is in Quilpie. It's a small town, and it's the asking price is 25,000 Australian dollars versus the coastal areas where you can get a 400 square meter block, probably around 300,000 Australian dollars plus your house if you want to build on it, of course. So see if we actually can find a bargain or not. And we made it guys, just entrance to Quilpie. So first thing first, we are going to find the accommodation, and then tomorrow I have a meeting with one of the agents, and we go from there. Obviously I don't think I'll be able to film any of the contracts and all that sort of stuff, but I will show you the land what I was looking at if we get a good deal on it. So fingers crossed. Okay, so we checked in, no Wi-Fi, my phone doesn't work here, there's no reception for Optus network, only maybe Telstra, so that's not a very good start, right? And now the second challenge is trying to find something to eat, because the kitchen is not open there today, and also fuel is difficult to find. They already closed at 4:30, so now I don't have enough fuel to go back to Hungary. So, but tomorrow morning apparently they will be open again at 8:30, so hopefully we get some petrol in that car so we can make it home. So it's an interesting times here already. think I found my place. I think we're gonna have a steak. See if they have one for me tonight. This was one of the best steak I ever had. But this is cattle country, so it's fresh here, and it's actually was very reasonably priced. At $25 you had a massive steak, chips, potato salad and garden salad as well. So I'm happy. Even so, I had to wait for a fair bit, but yeah, I mean that's life in here, countryside. Look at this guy. There's no one, absolutely no one on the streets. So what can we expect? It is what is it. I could live here. I'm saying good night here, and possibly this is going to be the first video, and you're going to have to check back for another one, maybe next time. So thank you for watching, guys, and please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, so you will know what's happening after this. Thank you, guys, and cheers.